Okay, guys, let's start with the discussion on time series. So, you understand what is a trend line, right? What is a trend line? This could be a trend line, which can be given by any regression equation, right? But in practical real life, we never get a straight line kind of thing, right? We can get a very zigzag, kind of pattern, which cannot be predicted by a regression method. And that's why we use time series. Because in reality, no trend line is a straight line, is a straight line. Okay. So we understand this thing, right? So we use time series in order to predict the fluctuations that happen. So the fluctuations that happen are of three types. First is of the trends that we see. Uh, Second is your random fluctuations. Third is your stable fluctuations or seasonality, which we call. These three types are there. And in seasonality, we have two types. One is your additive. Either it is additive in nature or it is multiplicative. So we understand these things, right? Okay. So when we see that in a trend line, when the bumps that you see are increasing in every season, then it is called multiplicative. But if you see that these bumps, the magnitude are constant in every season, then it is called additive in nature. We get that thing? Erase off. So next, let's understand what are the forecasting method that is involved. So first method in time series are random walk, random walk with drift. So here in this we use log function. Log function to convert into logarithmic scale from multiplicative to additive. So we saw above that there are two types of seasonality. One is multiplicative and the other is additive. Additive, right? So to convert the multiplicative into additive, we use log function, right? So you know the basic function of log, that log A, B, C can be written as log A plus log B plus log C, right? So this function of log is exactly what we are going to use in this method, right? Second method is your halt winter method. Halt winter method. In this halt winter method, so when there's no seasonality, we use this method. So when there's no multiplicative seasonality, we use this method. Understood? Next, let's understand what is point forecast. So it is the sales or any forecast value that omits the remainder. It's the remainder portion. Considering trend and seasonality part in logarithmic scale. Next is RMSE. RMSE is one thing that we see. It is root mean square error, right? And MAPE. MAPE is mean absolute percentage error. Okay. So this is the root mean and this is the percentage error. So we check these two errors to find the accuracy of our model, accuracy of the method. So the lower these errors, the better the method. So it has been found that the error is lower in random walk with drift method. So we prefer that method. Clear this till now? So let me just erase all of these again. Okay. So we understood these things. And then we say actual sales as a formula. The formula forecast plus minus RMS. Okay. So we take this range while we are predicting the sales. So we understood these things. So basically, these are the basic terminology used in time series, and I hope everyone has understood it. Okay, chalo, we'll see you next time. Bye.